How to remove unwanted object in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as I've already logged into my account, so while launching the Canva application, so I've selected the image or the project that I want to remove unwanted object from. So as you can see, this is the image over here. Now if I want to remove this particular element of the rose plant or rose as in whole over here, so just tap on that element and there you can see the option of delete. So tap on delete and it will be gone. So just make sure that the elements are different and they are not in a single frame, because if it's in a single frame then you will not be able to remove those objects. You have to either crop it or do something else. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.